Hello children, myself Sangeeta Dadav from Gokhale Education Society, JDC Bitco, English Medium High School, Nasik Road. Student, in the last video, we have finished page number 72 and the lesson name was Be a Netizen. In the last video, I have told that next part of the lesson we will continue in the next video. So, I think you must have written the difficult words which I had given and you have read the lesson. So, let us start. Page number 73. Be a netizen. While your computer is connected to the internet, you are online. That means when you start the computer to the internet, that time you are online. You can do many things online like reading or watching a movie or listening a song or even chatting and playing computers game with other people who are online in any part of the world at that time. When you are not connected to the net, that means when you are not connected to the internet, that time you are offline. So whenever you want to connect computer to the internet, that time you are online, and when you are not connected, that time you are offline. Sometimes you gather a lot of information on the net which you want to read or use later. What do you do then? You can make a copy of the text or pictures or movies on your computer and store it there. In other words, you download the information on your computer and then use it anytime you like. To send information on the net, you first need to get it ready on your computer. That means if you want to send any information on the net, you must first need to get ready on your computer in the way you want it on the net. You need a website to display the information on the net. So, you can also get your own personal address on the net. You can receive messages on this address and also send them. So, this system of sending and receiving messages on computers is known as email. That means electronic mail. What is the meaning of electronic mail? The system of sending and receiving messages or mail on computers is known as email. An email address is short and unique. Email address is very short and unique. No two email addresses are the same. With the address, you get an account on the net. Your account is like your own letterbox on the net. The only difference is that you can use this letterbox not only for receiving mail but also for sending it. That means you can use this mail not only for receiving the messages but you can also send. When you grow up, you can get your own email address, your email account. So you can log this letterbox by using a password. So whenever you want to log this, you have to use a password. A password is secret word. A password is a secret word or a group of letters or the numbers. So unless if you download your password, then only you can operate the net. The computer will allow a person to use or see the account only when the person types the correct password. People who live in a city are called citizens, and people who use the net are known as netizens. So children, would you like to be a netizen? So we have finished the lesson and we will start the question answers now. Be ready. All the answers are in the lesson only. It's one line answers and very easy. If you read the test very carefully, you will able to find out the answers. But I will give the answers. Be ready. First question. Have you ever seen or used computer? The answer is yes. Second, what is the internet? The internet is a network of computer. Third question. What is website? A website is a place on the net. Fourth question. What is the World Wide Web? The thousands of websites on the net together form the World Wide Web. Sixth question. What is meant by browsing or surfing? Looking at the various websites is known as browsing or surfing of the net. What is meant by online? Being online. When your computer is connected to the internet, you are online. Eighth question. What is meant by being offline? When your computer is not connected to the internet, you are offline. What is email or electronic mail? The system of sending and receiving messages or mail on computers is known as email or electronic mail. What is password? A password is a secret word or a group of letters or numbers. Who is netizen? A person who uses the net is a netizen. Last question. Would you like to be a netizen? Yes, I would certainly like to be a netizen. Now, question number 3. Draw a diagram to explain the idea of internet. Draw the diagram of internet and label the part. So, write this question in the classwork book. Read the lesson very carefully because nowadays we used computer. So, it's very easy able to find out the answers. Thank you.